Welcome back to another video. Very busy Friday here at CareMed, and it's now drawn to an end, so I've just come downstairs to have a look at what equipment's come in this week from hire. You'll see an array of equipment. So we've got a couple of rear azaleas. This one is a fairly standard azalea, which we can customise for any patient. So this one is, apart from the lap valve, which is an optional extra, this is a fairly standard rear azalea. Obviously a supportive head cushion, these hip supports there. And then next to it, it looks like a rear azalea, a standard rear azalea, but it's fitted with our Dreamline support system. So it's paediatric, and everything on here is all quick release, easy to use. These lateral supports just click on, and then you'll see the backrest as well. On these, the backrest just comes off very easy, just lifts off like so. So this is actually very popular system because it's so customizable and so modular. This here, we've got our CH5 chair. You'd see this on quite a lot of our latest videos on the YouTube. It's a lay flat chair for those that haven't seen it before. It's a chair that lies completely flat. You can pat slide patients onto it for early mobilisation. This one's just come back from a private hospital in London, which don't have much space, so they always hire these chairs for particular patients. Most NHS hospitals would own at least 2 or 3 of these at one time. And then over here we've got a TX25E chair, which it's basically a ward chair that's been fairly glorified. So you've got a leg rest that elevates, it's height adjustable, and you've got the backrest that lowers to 162 degrees. Got tracking casters. It's really easy to push, really easy to manoeuvre, and the armrests just come off. There will be more of an in-depth video on the channel, maybe in the coming days or weeks, because we're working on one at the moment on this chair, so we'll show you more of its features. There is another version of this chair with seat tilt as well, which is the TX26, but this, you can get it manual or electric. This one's electric. So that is the chairs that's come in this week. You can see there's more chairs on the shelves up there, so commode shower chairs, they're all can go out at any point. So if we get one of you guys say, hey, could do with a commode, then we can get it out next day, sometimes the same day, but we can guarantee if we've got it on the shelves here or in our other unit, we can get it to you within 24 hours. Hopefully that helps, and please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace out.